One of the first things we look at for design is we always look at, well, what's my microclimate I'm wanting? What do I got here? What's the sun conditions? And every one of them has a different list of plants that grow best in the different microclimate. You know, if you get the county extension office planting list, you know, the planting calendar, if you get the agriscaping.com planting calendar, the very first calendar you get is a full sun, 100-year average planting calendar. And in a full sun scenario, anything on that list, if you plant at the time that it recommends, you're going to likely have a pretty good success rate. But some of the spaces that if they're too close to a wall, or they get afternoon shade, or they're covered by a tree, or they're in full shade, that calendar isn't going to work for you. It's going to be very hard to manage. Your plants aren't going to grow well. Your timing's going to be off. You're going to feel like you're no good at gardening even when you grew up in an area or grew up being a great gardener, you know, especially if you're new to Arizona. We have extreme situations that every microclimate matters. And you can grow in every space in your backyard or front yard. You just got to know what's the right spaces. And as we're moving into the summer months, my favorite spaces we call the A, the B, and the E microclimates. The A microclimate is morning sun, afternoon shade. You're gonna have a lot more success in an area that gets morning sun, afternoon shade through your summer months. A lot less trouble, a lot less having to add shade. You won't even have to worry about shade if you get the right stuff in that spot. Next one, the B with the full sun, but you gotta make sure you're growing sun-hardy plants. Make sure you got stuff that really loves the heat. And then your E microclimate is actually a filtered light underneath a shady tree that you might have in your yard. So first step, really, to make an easy to manage garden, identify your best location. So for the summer, those are the three. Your morning sun, afternoon shade, or the A microclimate, the B, which is full sun, and then the E, which is a filtered light, or maybe even a 30% shade kind of scenario. So that's your first step. Make sure that you got the good spot.